professional nurse, and a graduate of Doctor in Management, major in Human Resource Management. She has been serving as the officer in charge, the supervising education program specialist, and education supervisor 2 of the Commission on Higher Education Regional Office 7. She is also the supervisor in charge of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program, and in this capacity, she conducts inspection and evaluation activities in coordination with the technical panel, the technical evaluators, and the regional quality assessment team for the nursing program. In addition to her supervisory role, Dr. Rivamonte also serves as the planning officer of CHEDRO 7, the focal person for private higher education institution, and the focal person for autonomous and deregulated higher education institutions and regional information officer of CHEDRO 7. Beyond her professional responsibilities, Dr. Rivamonte is also a wife and a dedicated mother of 3 sons, 1 newly registered nurse, 1 a nursing student, and 1 aspiring to pursue a nursing program. Ladies and gentlemen, to give us a message from the Commission on Higher Education, please help me welcome with a round of applause the Education Supervisor 2 of CHEDRO 7, Dr. Joji Sumith Rivamonte.
Good morning. Sir Narcival Randy Z. Takiki, Regional Director of the Professional Regulation Commission, Region 7. Honorable LCT, Member of the Professional Regulation Commission, Board of Nursing. Dr. Mark Ryan V. Portuguese, Governor, Philippine Nurses Association, Incorporated, Region 7. Dean Judith D. Ismael, Association of Deans of the Philippine Colleges of Nursing, Region 7. Nurse John Marcon A. Tudtud, the President of PNA Cebu Chapter. Nurse Giancarlo Torres, President, PNA National. And Presidents of the top performing schools in Region 7. Once again, good morning. Of Chairperson Dr. Shirley C. Agrupis unveiled her flagship initiative in the CHED Achieve Agenda, a formal launch last year setting the tone for a result-driven and globally aligned direction of the Philippine higher education. So under the V pillar of the CHED Achieve Agenda, the region advances vitalized policies, internal systems, and governance through the V programs that modernize regulatory frameworks, strengthen quality assurance, streamline CHED processes, and ensure policy coherence and accountability. The consistent production of nursing board top-notchers here in Region 7 reflects the success of quality assurance mechanisms, outcomes-based education, and strong faculty and clinical training partnerships implemented by higher education institutions under the watch of our able and competent deans of the different nursing schools in Region 7. So can we give them a round of applause, please? The deans, no? The different nursing schools. Actually, I have prepared a slide, but I think they should open. But as I was preparing, I remember, no, so for the number of board top nurtures in Region 7, we have 43. So can we give a resounding applause for that one? 4-3, no? And just in time, when our new regional director assumed the office, she was very happy, no? And she expresses her congratulatory message to the board top notchers in Region 7. So for the nursing schools offering the nursing program, so we have one additional nursing school that's in Bohol, no? So I was supposed to show that, but wala man. So for last year, we have one additional nursing school that's from a local college, no, in Bohol. That's Colegio de Getafe. So all the rest are still offering the nursing program in Region 7. And with that, I will not make my message long. So in behalf of our Chad Regional Office 7 Director, in the person of Dr. Filomena T. Dayagbil, I warmly congratulate our newly registered nurses who will take their oath today, and of course to the proud parents and benefactors present this morning. So can you give yourselves a round of applause? So once again, good morning. Thank you.